So, if you've been paying attention to what's happening in the creator economy right now, you've probably noticed something. A new type of creator is quietly generating serious monthly income. I'm talking about AI influencers. And today, I want to show you exactly how it works and why Fanvue is the platform making it possible. And a big shout out to Fanvue for sponsoring this video. Here's the thing. Until recently, there wasn't a great place to actually monetize an AI influencer. Most subscription platforms require you to verify as the actual person in the content. That makes it impossible if your creator is AI generated. Well, Fanvue changed that. Fanvue is the #1 AI monetization platform built specifically for creators like this. You verify with your own ID, but your profile can be your AI persona. You stay completely anonymous while earning recurring monthly income. That's a massive deal. And here's a stat that should get your attention. Fanvue has a fraction of the creators that other platforms have. That means you're not walking into an oversaturated market. You're getting in early, and early positioning in a platform is everything. Plus, Fanvue lets you keep 80% of your earnings from day one. That's one of the best revenue splits in the industry. And if you're wondering whether Fanvue is legit, the reviews speak for themselves. They're sitting at a 4.6 out of 5 on Trustpilot with nearly 2,000 reviews, and reviewers consistently call out how responsive and helpful the support team is, which matters a lot when you're building a real income stream on a platform. And that's the kind of trust score that tells you this is a legitimate operation. So on that note, let's create our own AI influencer. Okay, first you need to create your AI influencer. I personally use and recommend Leonardo AI. Their platform lets you easily create consistent characters that can then be used for your AI influencer. And I put together a complete video tutorial on how to do this using Leonardo AI that I'll link to in the video description below. It walks you through creating a consistent, reusable AI persona that you could generate content with over and over. It's actually quite simple, but it's an important step in the process. So if you don't have your AI influencer created yet, this is a great way to do that. Then once you have your AI influencer ready, head over to Fanvue, and I've linked to that in the video description below as well, and you could sign up as a creator by clicking the sign up button. From here, you'll register with your Google or X account or just a standard email and password. And then once signed in, you'll go through a quick onboarding flow. And I'm going to speed through this for the sake of time, but it's going to ask you a few things like whether you were referred by someone, your country of residency, what type of creator you're building, and what kind of content you plan to create. Then you'll also set your AI influencer's display name and handle. You'll choose your starting subscription price and verify your identity. Now, for verification, you're going to upload a photo of your driver's license or valid government ID. And once you get to this screen, you can use the QR code, or they also have a link where you can do this process on your desktop or laptop. And then you'll also take a quick selfie, because this is how Fanvue confirms you're a real person behind the account, even though your profile persona will be AI generated. And then after you've been verified, you'll tell Fanvue how you heard about them, and then success. You have been verified and you are in. Now, this will take you to your account dashboard. And the first thing I recommend doing is setting up your profile. And thankfully, Fanvue has this guided setup process that you could go through by clicking the Complete Your Profile button there in the upper right corner. And then it'll list out the 6 steps needed, which are add your profile picture, add a banner picture, add your bio, add an intro video if you have one, add an automated message, and then create your first post. And you could go through each step one by one. I'm going to kind of go through this pretty fast, but it's pretty simple. You'll just upload your pictures and add a bio. Again, if you have a video, that always helps to add the intro video, and then an automated message if you have that as well. But if you don't have them, it's not a necessity. I think the most important things here are uploading your profile image, your banner image, setting your gender, and then entering your profile info, which is like a quick little bio. Then let's take a quick look at 2 important settings here, which are your subscription pricing and bundles and your engagement settings. First, the subscription pricing and bundles. If you click that, it'll take you to the settings page for that. And here you'll see your monthly price, which has a minimum of $3.99 and a maximum of $100. We set this up during the onboarding, but you could always change it here. Then you'll also see a toggle for free trials without a payment method, and that's turned on by default. That means fans can subscribe using a free trial link or campaign without needing to enter a credit card, which lowers the barrier to getting your first subscribers. You could also create subscription bundles to offer discounted rates for fans who commit to multiple months at once, and you could set up promotional offers for new or expired subscribers. These are all great tools to test once you're up and running. Then back at the profile setup, if we click on our engagement settings, this is where you can configure how people will find you and how you interact with your audience. So by default, they'll have discoverability, follow for free, and blur preview images all on by default. I recommend keeping those on, but you'll see that the allow followers messaging is turned off. And this is the big one. When it's turned on, your followers can message you freely without needing to send a tip first. That direct back and forth is a massive driver for both retention and converting free followers into paying subscribers. So if you're just starting out, I recommend enabling this. And once you've got the engagement settings dialed in, if you head over to chats, which you could get there by clicking chats in the left sidebar, it'll take you to your inbox for all subscriber and follower conversations. Right now, it's empty since you're just getting started, but as your audience grows, this becomes one of your most important tabs. You could search and filter messages, and there's even an AI creator coach built right in there that you could chat with for tips and guidance as you build out your profile. So it's definitely worth taking a look at. All right, once the profile is set up, it's time to publish your first post. So from the dashboard, you'll see a new post button in the bottom left corner. Go ahead and click that. And then the first thing you'll set is who can see the post. And you've got two options, subscribers only or followers and subscribers. For your first post, I'd actually recommend choosing followers and subscribers. This way, anyone who finds your profile can see it, which helps convert free followers into paying subscribers. Next, you'll upload your AI-generated content. Just click Upload from Device. You could select your image or video from your files and drop it right into the post composer. You could also add from your vault if you've already uploaded content there as well. Then once you have your image or images or video, write your caption in the text box. And for a first post, just keep it simple and in character. Then you've also got options to schedule the post for later or add it to a collection if you're organizing your content. But whenever you're ready, just hit Create Post and it goes live instantly. And then you could check out your feed from your dashboard, but you could also see it in your profile. And to get there from the dashboard, if you click on your avatar in the bottom left corner and then select Profile, and this will take you to your actual AI influencer profile. And you can see that our post is live. Perfect. Then having a great profile and content is only half the equation. You need to actually drive people to your Fanvue page now. And the most effective way to do that is through social media promotion. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is get your Fanvue profile link. And the way to do that is from your profile page. Just click that share icon there towards the upper right corner, and you'll see a copy profile link option. Go ahead and click that, and that will copy the link that you're going to use, and you'll be dropping it everywhere, like in your TikTok bios, Instagram bios, YouTube descriptions, everywhere your AI influencer has a presence. You'll want to share this link. Then once it's clicked, this is what your potential followers will actually see. They'll get a clean profile page showing your AI influencer's name, profile photo, banner image, and post count. And then there's a big green join for free button, which lowers the barrier to entry, remember? And then any content that you've set to subscribers only will show up blurred with an unlock to view prompt. And that preview is doing the selling for you. They could see that there's content there, but they've got to subscribe in order to access it. Then one more thing to point out, Fanvue automatically labels the profile as AI generated or enhanced right there on the public page. That transparency is actually a feature, not a bug. Audiences on these platforms know what they're signing up for, and they're totally fine with it. Now, when it comes to growing your audience, Fanvue has actually built out a really solid creator hub right inside the dashboard with tips and resources on converting fans and driving retention. You'll find it on the home screen under the More Ways to Grow. Just click the Explore Now button there, and that takes you to their library of help docs and posts that are packed with tips on converting fans, boosting retention, and earning more. And I'd especially point you to the traffic guides under the Getting New Subscribers section. You can access that in the nav at the top of the screen. And from here, there's even a full Fanvue traffic masterclass they put together that covers organic social scaling on Instagram and TikTok, paid advertising, and affiliate marketing strategies specifically for creators on this platform. Those are absolutely worth digging into once you're set up and ready to start driving traffic to your profile. Then another really super helpful resource that Fanvue just added as I was creating this video is the Creator Agent feature, and it's in beta right now. And you'll see it in the dashboard. There are these green icons either in the bottom left corner or in the upper right corner of the nav. And if you click on that, it'll open up a chat panel on the right side of the screen. It's basically your own AI assistant built specifically for Fanvue creators. You could ask it anything like, how do I generate traffic? And it will give you a really detailed platform-specific answer. It even knows where you are in your profile setup and can give you advice based on that. It's powered by Claude Sonnet, so it's not just some basic chatbot. This thing is genuinely useful, especially when you're just getting started and trying to figure out your next move. Then the last thing I want to show you is how to keep track of your money. So in the left sidebar of your dashboard, you'll see an earnings and payouts icon. If you click that, it'll take you to your overview of everything, your total earnings, your available payout balance, and your pending balance. Then when you're ready to get paid, just hit request payout right here from this screen. But one thing to note, Fanvue requires that you have at least 5 pieces of media posted and that you reach the minimum earnings threshold before your first payout is processed. Once you hit that, their team reviews the account and reaches out if they need anything else in order to pay you. It's a pretty straightforward process. And from day one, you could see exactly where your numbers stand and you could watch the earnings dashboard start to move as your subscribers come in. So if you want to start building your first AI influencer and start earning revenue on Fanvue, the link to get started is in the description below. And don't forget to check out my Leonardo AI tutorial linked there as well, so you could build your character the right way. Also, drop a comment and tell me what niche you're thinking about. I genuinely want to see what you build with this. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.